Hello my YouTube audience, very warm welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you Microsoft Word shortcut keys or commands that will make your work easier. So, before starting this video, make sure that you have subscribed our channel. For this video, like target is 1K. Hope that you guys will complete this. So, let's start our video. Many users find that using an external keyboard with keyboard shortcuts for Word helps them work more efficiently. For users with mobility or vision disabilities, keyboard shortcuts can be easier than using the touchscreen and are an essential alternative to using a mouse. Ctrl+0 toggles 6 pts of spacing above the paragraph. Ctrl+A select all contents of the page. Ctrl+B bold highlighted selection. Ctrl+C copy selected text. Ctrl+D open the font preferences window. Ctrl+E aligns the line or selected text to the center of the screen. Ctrl+F open find box. Ctrl+I italic highlighted selection. Ctrl+J aligns the selected text or line to justify the screen. Ctrl+K insert a hyperlink. Ctrl+L aligns the line or selected text to the left of the screen. Ctrl+M indent the paragraph. Ctrl+N opens new, blank document window. Ctrl+O opens the dialog box or page for selecting a file to open. Ctrl+P open the print window. Ctrl+R aligns the line or selected text to the right of the screen. Ctrl+S save the open document, like Shift+F12. Alt+F save the document under a different file name. Alt+X show the Unicode code of a highlighted character. Ctrl+T create a hanging indent. Ctrl+U underline the selected text. Ctrl+V paste. Ctrl+W close the currently open document. Ctrl+X cut selected text. Ctrl+Y redo the last action performed. Ctrl+Z undo last action. Ctrl+Shift+V view or hide non-printing characters. Ctrl+left arrow moves one word to the left. Ctrl+right arrow moves one word to the right. Ctrl+up arrow moves to the beginning of the line or paragraph. Ctrl+down arrow moves to the end of the paragraph. Ctrl+del deletes word to right of cursor. Ctrl+backspace deletes word to left of cursor. Ctrl+N moves the cursor to the end of the document. Ctrl+Home moves the cursor to the beginning of the document. Ctrl+Spacebar reset highlighted text to the default font. Ctrl+1 single space lines. Ctrl+2 double space lines. Ctrl+5 1.5 line spacing. Ctrl+ equals set selected text as subscript. Ctrl+Shift+ equals set selected text as superscript. Ctrl+Alt+T insert trademark symbol. Ctrl+Alt+1 changes text to heading 1. Ctrl+Alt+2 changes text to heading 2. Ctrl+Alt+3 changes text to heading 3. Ctrl+Alt+F2 open new document. Ctrl+F1 open the task pane. Ctrl+F2 display the print preview. Ctrl+Shift+ greater than increases the font size of selected text by 1 point. Ctrl+Shift+ lesser than decreases the font size of selected text by 1 point. Ctrl+Shift+F6 switches to another open Microsoft Word document. Ctrl+Shift+F12 prints the document. F1 open help. F4 repeat the last action performed. F5 open the find, replace, and go to window in Microsoft Word. F7 spell check and grammar check selected text or document. F12 save as.